Hey guys, as you know that Nokia 62018 was launched yesterday and it has some improvement, some difference as compared to last year's model. So here we do comparison between Nokia 62017 versus Nokia 62018. So first of all, talk about its weight. So Nokia 62017 has 169 gram, 2018 has 172 gram. So it's Nokia 62017 is lighter than 2018. Both has front glass aluminum body, hybrid dual SIM. Both have IPS LCDs, 5.5 inches, 1080 by 1920 pixels, 16 by 9 aspect ratio, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Both have Android SIM 7.1 Nougat, plan upgrade to Android Oreo. Nokia 62017 has Snapdragon 430. Nokia 62018 has Snapdragon 630. So it has improved 430 to 630. Both have octa-core CPU. 62017 has Adreno 505. 62018 has Adreno 508. Both have micro SD card slot. Nokia 62018 has two variants, 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB, while on the other side Nokia 62018 has two variants but on the storage, 4GB RAM on both of them and two variants 32 and 64GB storage capacities. Both have camera, same 16 megapixel camera with aperture f2.0, and front camera both have also same 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Features, both have fingerprint sensors, but Nokia 62017 has front mounted and 2018 have rear mounted because of the thinner bezels, not thinner but quite thinner. Both have accelerometer, proximity compass. Both have fast battery charging, but Nokia 62018 has detailed 50% in 30 minutes. Both have non-renewable Li-ion 3000 mAh battery. Nokia 62018 has different colors: art black, matte black, tempered blue, silver, copper. And Nokia 62018 has only two colors, black and silver. So here are comparison between Nokia 62017 versus Nokia 62018. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos. And yeah, see you soon.